Today, we're diving into a topic that's both practical and beneficial. Energy efficient HVAC upgrades that can actually put money back in your pocket through tax credits. Now, I know what you're thinking. Tax credits and HVAC upgrades? How does that work? Well, stick with me and I'll break it down in a way that's easy to understand, and more importantly, applicable to your life. Let's start with the basics. High efficiency heating systems. These bad boys not only keep your home warm and toasty, but also qualify for valuable tax credits. It's like getting a bonus for staying cozy. Now, when the summer heat rolls in, you'll want an energy efficient air conditioner on your side. Look for units with high SEER ratings and Energy Star R certification. Not only will you stay cool, but you'll also save big on your energy bills. Next up, heat pumps. These versatile systems not only provide year-round comfort, but also boast impressive energy efficiency. And guess what? They're eligible for those sweet tax credits too. It's a win-win situation. And finally, let's talk about programmable thermostats. These little gadgets may seem simple, but they're powerful tools for saving energy and qualifying for tax credits. Set it and forget it, all while keeping your home comfortable and efficient. So there you have it, folks. Energy efficient HVAC upgrades aren't just good for the environment, they're also great for your wallet. Take advantage of those tax credits and invest in a more comfortable, efficient home. Stay tuned for more practical tips, and remember, when it comes to saving money and energy, every little bit counts. Catch you later.